You know it, folks. It is Epic Ride 2014. Here we go. Okay, we're leaving 61 and going to 150 here. Right on the Friendship Church Road. I don't mind getting wet. That's fine with me. Not too wet though, you know. Looks like we gotta put on the rain gear, people. Okay. So we made it 12 miles. Hey. Now we gotta put on the rain gear. Trials and tribulations number 1 for Epic Ride 2014. Not a problem at all. Just takes time, that's all. Just takes time. Okay. Rain suit is on. Shade is heavy. Good thing the Ghost is waterproof, I'll tell you that. That's good. Tell you what, the rain just screws stuff up. Screws up your windscreen, you can't see. Screws up your mirrors, you can't see. But it ain't stopping me and Shady. We like the Energizer Bunny. Not really though. We're not as energetic as the Energizer Bunny. But we just keep riding and riding and riding and riding. Holy crap, Shady's heavy. Shady don't stop like she used to. That's okay, she stops though. Friendship Church Road, 1 mile. Second left on the Candy Creek Road. First right on 29 North. Interstate 29, North Carolina. We're on Business 29 now. Yep. Heading up through Reidsville, North Carolina. In case y'all want to follow me on the maps. We did 55 miles an hour? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. In the rain? Okay. Oh my goodness. And that's what I get for playing. That was my road right there. That was my road. Stalled out twice right there, people. Miles, 158 West. Okay, those spider webs. Y'all see those? Wow, look at those spider webs. There's some spiders up here, people. Trees were just like covered in spider webs, thick spider webs. That's crazy. Oh, so we're off 129. We're still on Flat Rock Road here and near Reidsville, I believe. Reidsville, North Carolina. Flat Rock Road. I'm going to be doing episodes by tanks of gas. You know what I mean? So like this is tank 1, day 1. And we should go through 2 tanks a day. So it should be 2 episodes a day for 6 days. So that should be awesome. I'm raining a little harder now. Nothing the rain suit can't fix. There's a weird sensation in the rain suit. So I got my jeans on under here. And my rain suit on top of it, but you can still feel not so much. Well, you can feel the rain hitting, when it's hard rain, but now it's like you can't really feel it. But you can still feel the evaporation, the coolness of it, so it feels like you're wet, but you're not, which is an odd sensation. If ever you've ridden a motorcycle, I like my $high phone cover there, Ziploc bag. Come on, people. Smarten up. Smarter, not harder. You ain't gotta work for a $30 cover. Get your Ziploc bag. $2 and you got 49 replacements with it. Bam. If it can keep your food good in the freezer for 4 years, it can handle the phone for 6 days, I believe. That said, there's no hurricane force winds in the freezer. There is on the motorcycle. There's that, but you know, whatever. Like I said, it has 49 replacements. It don't have to stand on its own. Look at that guy. That guy collects cabooses. How cool is that? Last time you said, how do you get a caboose to your house? I mean, without a train track, of course. That's interesting.